dead.
Atomic has been raped.
Atomic. Hey, Atomic. That's good.
Yo.
Bro, Leo's dying. He can't breathe, bro. I literally just watched Atomic actively remove the Lights Men role from himself.
Niflheim lover! Niflheim lover! The man who speaks in saws. Speed, speed, speed,
No, what else
speed
is good?
wagon. Atomic, atomic, la boo boo.
That's good.
Damn.
That's good. bro, Atomic got to, bro. Bro could not handle the curse of Atomic Labubu.
Damn. So basically what's gonna happen is he's gonna record what he's done and send it to me on Instagram. Full maze. I just got fucking 12 to 100. I just got fucking 12 to 100. 12 to 100. 12 to 100. 12 to 100. 12 to 100.
There's a starman.
A little bit of mustard.
Are you disrespecting me, bruv? My mistake, original gangster. No, this cannot be forgiven. Now empty the compartments of your pantaloons. For what purpose? And discard of your footwear. For what purpose?
You're insane. You're in pain. I can tell by what you're saying, but...
Clock strikes 12. Midnight arrives. Cock your guns and sharpen your knives. There's a grand prize for the bat's demise. So knock him dead and bring his head and we'll all celebrate. We'll party at 1, we'll all have fun, so don't go running late. But tell a lie when the bat doesn't die and your head will be on the plate. So hurry now, you're on the dime. It's time to do the crime. But tick-tock, tick-tock, we're out of time.
Come join my circus. I'm recruiting.
I don't find that part that hard.
Oh, yes.
I mean, it's not hard per se, it's just chokeable.
That's a great job.
I honestly thought I would die there, but I didn't, and yeah.
That's a great job. That's good. Tech beat fucking Super Hate New World. That's good. I didn't even notice that. Wait, what? Oh, it turns out this was like yesterday.
Yeah.
I didn't see because I was in fucking.
Fucking beat Black Blizzard! I beat Black
Did you beat it?
Blizzard!
Like,
I beat it!
What? I can't. I think you beat it. I can't tell.
You
I
beat
beat
it.
On a top
You beat it?
61, I beat fucking Black Blizzard!
Oh my god!
I beat it!
no way!
No way!
I beat
Dude,
it! I
way!
beat it!
That's
I
good!
beat it!
That's good.
I beat it!
Oh,
I beat
good!
it! I beat it! I actually beat it! I actually just beat it! I actually fucking
What
beat
the
it!
fuck?
There's no way! There's no way this is fucking real. I'm shaking so bad right now, this is not real.
The jump from the jump!
I beat fucking Black Blizzard!
The jump
It's
from
over.
the jump!
It's
I
over.
got here just in time, dude.
Jump,
Oh my
man!
god.
You joined while I was at the drop.
Jumpman!
Oh,
I-
fuck you.
I actually just beat it.
Oh my
That's
god,
fucking
dude.
crazy.
Yeah, nice third extreme mode, bro.
Let's see how many actual attempts.
How many attempts?
Okay, I want you guys to guess how many attempts.
50, no,
38,000.
45,000.
45,000.
38,912.
Yeah.
Okay. 17,611.
Yeah. Just
I
give
said
up already,
45,000.
bro.
Okay, so you said 45,000. Jacob, what'd you say?
I said 38,000.
Alright, 36,116.
Yo!
Jesus.
Damn.
Yo! Dude, I was on it, bro. I was actually on it.
Yeah, you were pretty close, can't lie. Alright, so I have a lot to say about this level. So let me just premise with this. I hate this level with a passion. Not only has it ruined my mood, my motivation, my hopes and dreams so many times, I'm always just been stuck at the first cube, which is unreasonably hard and awkward, with notable choke points like 2%, which is the obvious one. There's like 6%, which is that weird jump into the green and the blue orb. And then there's, yeah, it's just weird. I don't like it at all. No joy to be found in there. I've genuinely fallen asleep at my desk while playing Black Blizzard. It's so bad. Now, once you get out of there into the second cube, it's nowhere near as bad, honestly. It's kind of fun, but it just doesn't work, honestly. It's one of the most inconsistent pieces of gameplay I've ever played, and it's just, I like it, but I don't. I like the gameplay, but it's just gambling. Speaking of gambling, you guys want to see something? Obviously there's this guy, but 37%, 42% pass rate. I have died there a total of 81 times. That click is called the Hitler click for a reason. I genuinely cannot stress just how bad that click is. It has thrown away so many potential drop attempts that I could have used to beat the level so much sooner. But no! I had to die there over and over, drop the level for like 2 months, and I finally beat it just today. Alright, now we get to the drop. The drop is actually kind of fun in this level, I like it. The UFO, not that bad. Pretty consistent, pretty decently fun, I like it. The ball is kind of awkward. The first 2 clicks, like with the 2 pink orbs, I died there every once in a while, but it wasn't that bad. I just noticed this, look at the likes, that's funny. I'm gonna decrease that by 1. Anyway, so The ball is kind of awkward. It's not really that offensive, but it's just weird. The ship, the only major complaint I have about this ship is the 55 green orbs. I've finger locked there multiple times from 0. It was really annoying, but not the worst part ever. You get to the duel, that's probably the best part of the level, generally speaking. Like, everybody thinks the duel in this level is pretty good, but the click pattern's pretty fun despite the cube and robot portion being really awkward and chokeable. Surprisingly, I didn't die there from 0. I really thought I would. The last cube is something that not really many people talk about, but I feel like it's noteworthy because it's just 83 in specific. That click was really hard. I'm not surprised I died there from 0 at all, but luckily I only died there once, so it's completely fine. The corridor, the single most stressful piece of gameplay I've ever played. It's a really good way to cap off such an intense level that I think as a level it's pretty well built, and I respect it as a level. It just gave me like the worst experience I've ever had. Honestly, I hated every second of this, but the corridor is insanely nerve-wracking, insanely stressful. It's a control-based end of the part, but I didn't die there, so it's completely fine. I think that's all in all. This pretty good level, I guess. I can't even say it's a good level, honestly. Yeah, that's about all I have to say. Bye, guys. You know what I might as well be doing instead of playing this fuck-ass level? I might as well be blindfolded, smashing my head into a brick wall repeatedly while jerking off. Bro, I'm genuinely gonna drill a hole into that wall and fuck it with no lube. That would be better than this stupid level.
What is this sound grating my ears?
I'm actually done.